How to fix Roblox not launching error. So if you're facing an error with Roblox and if it is not launching on your device, then what you need to do is just go with the Windows button, simply press on it and then go with add or remove programs. Search for add or remove programs and click on it, and then it will take you to this kind of interface. So you just need to simply search for Roblox. Once you search for Roblox, now here you will have your Roblox application. Go with the right side, which has that three dots, and then go with uninstall. Once you uninstall that, now if you don't have your application on your device, once you've uninstalled it, you need to go with your browser and then go with the Roblox. Go with roblox.com and try to play a game. And once you try to play a game on your Roblox, then it will ask you to install the application. So you just need to simply install the application again after uninstalling, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next method, which is you just need to simply go with the Windows, right click on your Windows icon and then go with run. Under run, you need to enter percentage app data and then percentage and hit enter. And here it will take it to the app data and roaming, right? So you just need to simply go with the app data again and then go with the local. Open up your local and then here you will have the Roblox option. You just need to simply go and search for Roblox. Once you search for Roblox, you just simply go with the versions option, and under versions make sure that it is with the latest version available. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go with the Microsoft Store and install it as an application. You can simply search for Roblox and then go with the get option or install option. You just need to simply go with install and install the application. And once you install, you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.